In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide text in Adobe Acrobat. Whether you're preparing a document for public distribution or simply need to protect some sensitive information before sharing, hiding text can be an important step. Let's walk through this process together to ensure you can do it smoothly and effectively. Start by opening Adobe Acrobat on your computer. Once the program is open, you'll be greeted by the home page, which will provide you with a couple of options. You'll see buttons labeled Create and Recent Work. If you're starting a new project, you might normally click on the Create button, but for our purposes today, we're going to focus on accessing an existing document. So go ahead and click on Recent Work. This will give you a list of documents you've been working on recently, making it quick and easy to find the file you need. Once you've clicked Recent Work, select the specific document in which you wish to hide text. After opening it, you'll need to locate the Redact Text and Images tool. Redaction is a powerful feature in Adobe Acrobat, crafted to help you securely hide sensitive information. By using this tool, you're not merely visually hiding the text, but ensuring it's unrecoverable by someone else, which is essential for maintaining confidentiality. After selecting the Redact Text and Images option, you'll be prompted to highlight the words or phrases you want to hide. Simply click and drag your cursor over the text you wish to redact. As you highlight, you'll notice the selected text is usually marked in a different color or pattern, clearly showing what's been selected for redaction. Take your time during this step to ensure that you've highlighted all the necessary information accurately. A quick tip: if you're working with long documents or there are several sections needing redaction, it's wise to double-check the text selections to ensure nothing is missed. Once satisfied with your selection, you'll typically have to finalize the redaction process by applying the changes. At this point, Acrobat will ask you to confirm your changes before permanently redacting the information. Before you wrap up, it's always a good idea to save your document as a new file. This way, you keep the original intact just in case you need to refer back to it later or perform additional edits. Saving it as a new file ensures you have a clean, final version of your redacted document ready for sharing or further processing. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can confidently hide text in Adobe Acrobat, safeguarding your sensitive information effectively. Thanks for watching, and I hope this has been helpful. If you have any more questions or tips of your own, feel free to share them in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials just like this one.